Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. We're going to talk about ICX today, and the volume for ICX has spiked in February. The volume for a lot of coins has been higher in February, but not quite the same as ICX because the bull run was active in January as well. If you look at the ICX trading volume, January was up, but February is way up. That's probably like an all-time high for ICX trading volume. And I do think March will actually be even higher. We did really see like a little bit of a run for ICX coming into mid and end of February. So during the polar vortex and a little bit after it, I was definitely just like completely looking at ICX and was doing really, really good things. And also Balance DAO and Omni Finance are actually around the corner. And there will be some airdrops. So I think people are probably going to push it up higher as soon as Bitcoin goes higher. And I do think that's very, very good for us ICX holders. Staking is still pretty hot, and I think that will help push it even higher. Like I said, I'm still on board with ICX being $20 soon, or not, maybe not soon, maybe by the end of this year. I think ICX can break its last all-time high with all the adoption it's actually getting. And as for other icon news, so like I think they're actually working with some of the car manufacturers with MyID Alliance. Hyundai and Nonghyup and Kyobo are both huge here in Korea, and they're actually like working with Icon with the MyID Alliance. And we know that some of that actually does use ICX. It's not just using Icon Loop DID, but some of that does actually use my ICX. At least the public part actually does. Obviously, everyone knows Hyundai Motors. I don't drive a Hyundai, but they're pretty big, honestly. Don't really know like the other two. Kyobo Life Planet, I'm not exactly sure what that is. And NH Investment Securities, probably a financial firm. So MyID is continuing to expand at a very, very rapid rate. And we know that at least for some of that, the public part of that, they're going to use ICX. And I do believe that will definitely help transactions on the Icon blockchain. So we're seeing a lot of increase in the number of partners. It's increased from 83 to 86 within Korea. Yes, they're mainly within Korea, but South Korea is a big enough country with tens of millions of people. It's not like a small country. Well, I mean, land area it's small, but like number of people, it's definitely not small. And the economic activity there is really great. And it looks like ICX is going to be like used for a lot of projects in South Korea. MyID Alliance is a ton of companies, and they're already starting to implement a lot of this. Plus, with the trading volume going up, and we know that volume going up usually indicates that the price is going up. And with Balance DAO and cryptocurrency, or like with DeFi coming on in the next a month or so, probably with ICX 2.0, and I think Korean people are going to go pretty crazy over this DeFi stuff because like I think they will actually support their own countries like coin. And if they actually start, and they won't have any regulatory clarity problems in Korea. So as like more and more people demand this coin to stake it for, DeFi or whatever, I do believe it's going to go up even more. So March could be a very, very big month for ICX. And I think this increase in trading volume right here is just a prelude to that. So I think we're looking at good times ahead for ICX, hoping it gets to $5 in March, but we'll actually see what actually happens. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.